Hi friends, I just received these new solar outdoor lights. Of course they are great if you're thinking about the holidays to decorate your home, your lawn, your patio, your front porch. You get 300 LED lights, 300, and I want to tell you, they have a solar panel to charge the battery. You can also charge it through this USB-C port. You get this. Also, cables. Each of them have this remote control with which you can change the intensity of the lights, the pattern of the lights, and the timer of the lights. Like you can have them turn on for 3, 5, or 8 hours, anything you want to arrange, okay? The solar panels have this like clip function, and in the back they have the power button, the mode button, and the timer. So you can do whatever you can do in the remote, you can do in the back panel, and they will tell you if they have battery or not, the battery level, and if the solar panel is working. Okay, solar panels can be installed directly in your lawn, in your patio with these stick accessories, or you can try to install them somewhere else where you know they will get enough sun so the light will be charged. Okay, so well, I think that these light strings are great. They have a lot of lights. We're going to install them so you can see how they look in the night, and well, thinking about the holidays, I really recommend them. Thank you. See, we are testing it. It turns on. It has some power in it, the battery, and we're gonna see how it looks in the night. I think it's going to be really, really pretty. Thank you. Let me show you the lights. You see how nice and pretty they look. They give a nice view. 20 place you want to light in your house. We have different mode lights. As you can see, they can be turning on and off. Here's another one. Okay, you have different modes to play with depending on what you want to, well, how you want to light your patio. Okay, this is more like Christmas. Perfect. Now, and remember you can set the timer to go off in 3, 5, or 8 hours. So, well, it's a very nice way to light a part, any part of your home that you want to light. And I think this is a really, really nice light string. And remember, it's powered by a solar panel, so well, it's a great to have nice lighting without having to connect it to the power. Perfect, really recommended. Thank you.